I think they're on a secret mission. So, secret mission is a game you can play with teens with maybe an A2 level of English. You can even go as far as A1 with some training, adults also. It's a great game for a 1 hour class or maybe a whole day or even a whole session if you're in linguistic camps. You can play that during 15 days maybe. But let's try this in a situation where we are all learning something during maybe an hour or something. So, what everyone will do is write on a piece of paper a mission, something easy, not degrading, and fun. For example, you must high five the teacher. Okay, they'll write it and they'll put it in a bowl and we will all take one mission, okay? And they'll have to execute. The other person who gets the paper will have to execute that mission. For example, Anna will write, "You must high five the teacher." Put it in the bowl. Leonie pulls out that paper. She reads it. "Oh, okay, it's my mission. It's my mission. I have to high five the teacher." And Leonie will try to do everything to succeed. But if Anna sees her trying to do it before she succeeds, Anna can say, "Oh, she is doing my mission. My mission is you must high five the teacher." Okay? Now everyone, let's get it right. Okay?
Yes.
Cool. Okay, did everyone write their mission?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, fold it. Fold it. Give it to me. It's the bowl. It's better with the bowl. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let me mix. Mix, and I'll distribute. Okay, you get this mission, and you get this mission. Let's check that they don't have the mission they wrote. That'll be a bit sad. Do you have the mission you wrote?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so we mix again. Mix. Mix. There you go. In a bigger group, it doesn't really happen often. Do you have the mission you wrote?
No.
Okay, so now let's do something completely different. And in the meantime, they'll try to succeed in their mission without being caught by the person who wrote it. Okay? So, what did you do last weekend? David, what did you do last weekend?
Last weekend I read some books.
You read some books? What books did you read?
I read some Harry Potter.
Harry Potter?
Yes.
Okay, which one?
All of them.
All of them, okay. Lenny, what did you do last weekend?
I just slept
Slept?
in my house.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's an exciting weekend.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, that's actually a great weekend idea. Okay. So, Anna, what did you do last weekend?
I went to a party.
A party?
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah. And we danced a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Like this. And
Stop! She's doing my mission.
Oh, what is your mission?
My mission was make the teacher dance.
Oh.
yeah.
Busted. Oh, good. Now, if you so you can continue like this with 3 persons, a bit harder in a very small setting, but in a classroom while you're doing a craft maybe or a different activity or doing a whole day out, it's a lot of fun, really. Have fun with this. Bye, everyone.
Bye.